If you're wondering how to use Salesflare for lead nurturing, you're in the right place. This video will break it all down in a simple, actionable way. So by the end, you'll be able to harness the power of Salesflare to turn your leads into loyal customers. Stick around because I'll show you how you can get your hands on Salesflare with a free trial and some exclusive bonuses, so you can dive right in with no risk. Salesflare is an intuitive CRM tool designed to simplify and automate your sales processes. It's built for small businesses and sales teams who want to nurture leads without wasting time on repetitive tasks. The best part? It's incredibly user-friendly with powerful features that can boost your lead nurturing process from day one. When it comes to lead nurturing, Salesflare makes it easy to keep track of where each lead is in your pipeline. The software automatically logs every interaction with your prospects, emails, meetings, calls, so you don't have to manually input data. It helps you follow up with the right leads at the right time, and all that's done automatically. No more scrambling to remember when to check in with a lead or what to say. Salesflare takes care of that for you. One of the standout features of Salesflare is its automated follow-ups. The software integrates with your email and calendar, so it can send reminders when it's time to reach out to a lead, whether it's an email or a meeting request. Salesflare keeps your workflow smooth and ensures no lead falls through the cracks. Plus, it prioritizes leads that are more likely to convert, so you can focus on the ones that matter most. Salesflare's pipeline view is another powerful tool for lead nurturing. You can easily visualize the progress of all your leads and see exactly where they are in your sales cycle. The intuitive design makes it simple to move leads through each stage, and you can even customize the pipeline stages to match your specific workflow. But that's not all. Salesflare also offers automated segmentation. This means you can tag and categorize your leads based on various criteria, like where they are in the customer journey, the size of their business, or what product they're interested in. With this, you can send hyper-targeted emails and follow-ups that speak directly to the needs of each segment. By leveraging Salesflare's lead nurturing features, you ensure you're not just collecting leads, but actively building relationships. It automatically identifies touchpoints and helps you engage with your prospects at the right times. This creates a more personalized experience, which significantly boosts your chances of closing deals. Now, if you're looking to get started with Salesflare, you can use it completely free with our exclusive extended trial. Just click the first link below and sign up. This trial includes access to the full suite of features, so you can see for yourself how it can streamline your lead nurturing process without committing to anything upfront. Don't miss out on this opportunity to try Salesflare for free and get ahead in your sales game. Make sure to take advantage of this exclusive bonus and give Salesflare a shot today. Remember, lead nurturing is all about consistency and timing, and Salesflare automates all of this for you, so you can focus on what you do best, closing deals. With the extended free trial, there's no better time to give it a try. Thanks for watching.